We're in the Three Hills community today in Morrison, Colorado, just at the base of the foothills. Right now, I'm standing in the Crestone model by Meritage Homes. These are row homes, move-in ready homes. Let's take a look. Welcome inside. So we're on the first level, and this is kind of the welcome to my home level. We got the front door over this way, stairs leading upstairs. Back over here, this is your entrance in from your garage. Nice little spot here to put a bench or something to, get the shoes off when you come in from outside. And we do have one room in here right now. It's their sales office. Some nice windows in here, and there is an ensuite bathroom. Alrighty, that does it for the first floor, the welcome to my home floor. Let's, coat closet right here, almost forgot that. Let's head upstairs and check out floor number 2. Welcome to the second floor. This is kind of your main living space floor. As you can see, we're in the kitchen. Really love this great big long island. They have 4 chairs pulled up, and I think you could do 5. This is a fabulous island. Sink and dishwasher right here on the island. As you can see, plenty of cabinets and countertop space in here. And then tucked away over here, you're gonna find your dining room space. Got to show you right over here as well. Your sliders leading out onto your balcony. Good place to set up a table or your barbecue grill. Right here, we got a little pantry. I forgot what this was. Water heater. How interesting. And powder bath. It is a tankless water heater, so that's something fun to point out. Love those. All right, and this way we find the great room. This is a really nice sized great room. Perfect spot for your TV over here. As you can see, they were able to put a sectional in here, lots of windows, so it feels plenty light and bright. And then back over here, we find the stairs. Let's head up another level. As you can see, we still got 1 level to go, so stick around. All right, coming down this way. This is where we're gonna find secondary bedrooms and bathroom. So the first thing we come to here is secondary bathroom. Alrighty, at the end of the hall, we find the first secondary bedroom. All right, and right around the corner here into the final secondary bedroom. Nice big windows in here, feels plenty light and bright. Alrighty, walking down this way. Door leads to a stackable washer and dryer. So not a laundry room, but stackable washer and dryer. This is your furnace, and then linen closet here. Walking past the stairs. And this is where we're gonna find our primary bedroom. This looks out into the front of the home. Nice big windows in here, plenty light and bright. Into the bathroom here, we're gonna walk past the toilet closet, double sink vanity, walk-in closet, shower, and linen closet. Alrighty, that's the primary suite. Hope you stuck around because you're gonna want to see what's upstairs. Let's go check it out. Welcome to floor number 4, and I don't know if you noticed the camera quality changed, but we had some technical issues and we're finishing up on the phone. Anyhow, floor number 4. This is a really spacious rooftop deck. I love the concept of rooftop decks. How fun on a Saturday night, Friday night, to be out here enjoying nature on the top of your house. All right, again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We're here in Morrison, Colorado in the Three Hills community. Literally just a few minutes down the highway to Red Rocks Amphitheatre. Yeah, that's where we're at. If you'd be interested in looking at homes in this community, give me a call. Love to meet you out here, see if these are the right homes for you, and if not, help you find that right Colorado home. Also save you a little bit of money through negotiations with the builder and my closing cost credit. Besides that, give me a call and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of these fun home tours. Thanks for joining me today, and you have a super day.